Welcome, everyone. Is a OPPO Find X2 Pro, and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on this device. So to get started, you will want to open up the content that you wish to capture. I'm going to be using settings as an example for this. And once it's open and visible on screen, press power key and volume down at the same time. It's a simple click, and you will see this image pop up here. So we have two options: share to slide up, and then scrollable screenshot if you slide it down. Now also, if you're capturing your screenshot for the first time, it will bring up this little guide to also let you know that you can capture a screenshot and a couple different ways of capturing it using gestures. So in this case, 3 fingers. So as you can see, the default one and the 2-finger swipe down, or 3-finger swipe down, will result in basically the same thing as pressing the power key and the volume down, with the difference of using your fingers, so it might be a little bit easier and more convenient. Then on the second one, we have here a selective screenshot, so you can just hold your fingers, the 3 fingers, and it will make an area which you can resize to select a specific portion of the screen. And then lastly, we have the scrollable screenshot, which again, 3 fingers, hold, and then swipe all the way down, will result in a scrollable screenshot. Although this option is the most annoying one out of all of them. Normally, 3 screenshot, as you can see, works fairly flawlessly. Also, if you hold, get this page or this thing where you can resize it, right? Again, works fairly well. But in terms of a scrollable one, I do recommend you just to capture a screenshot and do this. Oh, there's no scrollable content here. So I advise you on doing this way. It's going to be much easier. You always have the pop-up and you only need to swipe it down. Because if you try to do this way, as you can see, you first need to hold the fingers till you see this thing up here, and then slide it down all the way and make it basically that all the 3 fingers swipe off the screen at the same time. If you don't, it will consider this to be a portion of a screenshot. As you can see, like it is right now, this for me didn't work. So I'm just gonna quit, and let's just try to do that once more. So okay, so as you can see, this time it worked, but it needs to be fairly precise, and it has a lot room for error. So that's why I recommend you just to do a simple screenshot and then swipe the image down for, well, this to open. And once you have the scrollable option, as you can see, it will automatically, as you've seen, let me stop it, it will start scrolling down, but you can basically stop it by touching on it. And from there, you can also scroll down yourself, however far down you want to go. Tap on the check mark once you're satisfied, again, check mark, and this will save it. Now, all those screenshots that I have captured can be found in our Photos application. As you can see right here, they're all smack in the middle here. Or if we go into the albums, we should have a screenshot album as well, where we can find all the screenshots. So there we go. So that being said, that is how you would capture different screenshots or different methods of capturing a screenshot. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.